Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a fun look using Sugar Pills palette. I'm mainly going to be using this one. This is their Capsule collection palette. I'm not sure which one this is, but I will have it down below for you guys. And I'm also probably going to dive into this one as well. So on my lids, I have Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I didn't put it on my lid all the way just because I am going to be cut creasing eventually, so there's no need to put extra product on my whole lid here. The first color I'm going to take here is called Undone, which is like a nice purple color. I'm going to take this color on a Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to start placing this color right in my crease, kind of like where the eye primer starts. And I'm going to keep this color right in the front. I'm not going to put it over here. And I'm just going to start blending this out a little bit. I don't need to do it a lot, but just a smidge. Now I'm going to take a ABH Cosmetics 217 brush, and I'm just going to go along the edges of this color to blend it out a little bit further. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this purple lavender color called Baby Doll. I'm going to take this color on my MAC 217 brush, and I'm just going to slightly just sweep this color along the edges of Undone just to further blend out Undone, but also just to add like another like pop color in there. Now I'm going to go back with the color Undone just to add it back in there because it did get a little lost. Now I'm going to take this blue color called Slow Dive. Taking this color on a Morphe M514 brush, I'm going to add this color right in my crease where my eye primer kind of starts. I'm going to put it right next to this purple color. And I'm going to start slowly blending this upward, and I'm going to start blending this blue into the purple. Okay, and as you can tell, I didn't blend out the blue all the way just because I'm going to take Baby Doll again to blend out the blue. I feel like it's not too purpley where you couldn't blend it out with blue either. So I'm going to put that on the edges of the blue just to blend it out a little further. And I'm using my MAC 217 brush. Now going back with that blue Slow Dive, I'm going to add it back in here just like with the purple because it did get lost. So I'm just going to add it back in here and blend it up a little further, not too much to where I cover that Baby Doll color, but just enough to get the blue to pop a little bit more. And you can see Baby Doll really fits with this blue. Like, it looks so purple here, but it looks more blue here. So I really love that color because it's kind of versatile. Like, you can use it with blue and purple because it's like that perfect color where it's not too purple or not too blue to kind of like switch it up. Now I'm going to take this green color called Radiate. I'm going to take this color using my MAC 221 brush, and I'm going to place this color right on the end here next to the blue. I'm just going to start kind of feathering it upward this way and blending it into the blue. Now I'm going to take a Makeup Shack T88 brush, and I'm just going to sweep it along the screen just to kind of let it blend out a little further, since I'm not going to use another color to blend it out. Now I'm going to take this color called Supernova. This shimmer is really, really, really pretty. I love this color. I feel like I don't really have a lot of colors like that, so really like that one. And I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone, and I'm going to use it on a Morphe M507 brush. I'm going to put it right on arch of my brow and blend it down into the green and then up into blue. Okay, now for the fun part, I'm going to do the cut crease now, but before I actually put down any eye base or concealer, I'm just going to use my makeup wipes to kind of do the shape for me first. So just start wiping it away. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with Anastasia Beverly Hills eye base, and I'm going to do my cut crease. I'm going to use my MAC 248 brush to apply the eye base. Now I'm going to go in with this color called Supernova again, and I'm going to put this color pretty much on the edge of the cut crease, so right where it starts at the top, not really so on my lid or at the bottom. Now I'm going to take this pink color called Melody, and I'm going to place this color right on my lid. And I'm going to slightly blend it up. Now I'm going to take MAC Cosmetics 212 brush with that same color Melody, and I'm just going to basically place the color right along the end of my eye here, kind of upward like a wing liner, just to kind of get the color placed. And then I'm just going to take my bigger brush to kind of smudge it out. Now I'm going to take this color called Glory. I'm going to take Glory and put it kind of right on top of Melody, just to kind of blend out Melody more and blend this up further. Now I'm going to finally go in with this palette, and I'm going to take this color called Young Blood. Interesting name. I'm going to take this color on my MAC 212 brush again. I'm just going to bring this really close to my lash line, and I'm just going to deepen up this pink a little bit more with this burgundy red color. Now I'm going to take Suva Beauty's Hydra FX liner in the color Acid Trip. I'm going to take my Suva Beauty 620 brush, and I'm just going to line the cut crease with this liner. Okay guys, I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll be right back for the bottom of my eyes. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished the rest of my face and I put lashes on. So I'm going to go in first with this color Melody from the pink Capsule palette. I'm going to take this color on my Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just going to place this color right underneath the bottom here. Now I'm going to take this color called Glory, and I'm going to put this color a little bit under the pink color Melody, just to blend it out further. Now I'm going to take Baby Doll, and I'm going to use my MAC 217 brush, and I'm just going to put this on the edge on this side, just to blend a little bit more on this side. Now I'm going to go into the orange capsule, and I'm going to take this color again called Young Blood, and I'm going to put it right underneath here, really close to my lash line. And going back in with the orange capsule, I'm going to take this color called Metro. I'm going to take this color using my Morphe M507 brush, and I'm going to place this color in the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to use MAC Cosmetics Chromographic pencil in the color Process Magenta, and I'm going to put this on my waterline. For mascara, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Volumizing Mascara Lash Rad. And I actually like this mascara. It reminds me of Too Faced's Better Than Sex mascara because the brush is very similar, but I think it might be a little bit smaller than the Too Faced one. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really love how it came out. All the shadows that I used from both of these palettes blended really well. Let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!